Hi guys, this is another video. Vince trying to do his bit for the COVID people who have to reuse their N95 masks like myself. What I've done is I've taken an old cooler, a hard cooler here, Igloo I think it is, and I drilled it out. I bought these online. This is a air conditioning HVAC unit that puts out ultraviolet light, UVC to be specific, because the other two wavelengths, UVA and UVB, are not known to be effective against pathogens like COVID. So this UVC lamp, you cannot stare at it when it's lit, I'll tell you that up front, will kill the pathogen. And of course you have to treat it with care. It has to be close enough and have to be exposed to it long enough for the coronavirus to be killed. So I've created this cabinet. It's all white inside for a very reflective environment. And this will be very close to the masks that I'll put at the bottom. It'll hover right over them. Even though this is for a whole house unit, I've got two of them I'm putting into this little cooler. So if I don't melt the cooler, it should pretty much kill anything that's in there. This is not CDC approved, no shit, but I'm fairly confident that it'll do the job against this. And in the process here of installing the first one, should let the lamp out. In fact, I think I will take it out and for safety. Put it in more delicately later. So getting this to fit, that's the way it's going to be. And there'll be another one in here. I don't want to look at the light. And I'll put the lid on it. I might line this with aluminum foil if I think it's got more reflectivity than the white. The white's not bad though. And I'll put my, this is a really old N95 from construction, but I'll put my mask down in there, and a couple of them, and get them to irradiate. I'll put them in overnight, so they probably only need a few minutes to achieve the desired morbidity to the coronavirus pathogen. So, all right, so let's, something for you to think about, think it through, do your research, and good luck with it.